Welcome back to our Splunk Stream Explained series. I'm Jake Hammercott, and today we're going to be covering stream data flows. In many ways, data flow in Stream is similar to that of other conventional apps and monitoring tools. So our forwarders, which in this case are likely sat on a hex server as we spoke about in our last video, and will receive data and send it to our indexes. In this case, captured network data is being sent from these forwarders to the indexes. And then from here, data is indexed and stored and has now become searchable, which means we can start using this data in our Splunk Enterprise environment on the search head. However, there are some additional data flows that take place during this process. As you may have seen at the top of our diagram, we can see the search head and forwarder communicating with each other about different configurations. This diagram, which I've stolen from the previous video, visualises a distributed Splunk Enterprise environment. So as we can see, the add-on running on the forwarders, called Splunk TA Stream, requests the stream configurations from our search head. Once this communication is received, the search head, more specifically the app Splunk App Stream, running on the search head, returns these configurations, listing what data is being collected. So I've quickly just jumped over to this demo Splunk box, which is running the Splunk Stream app. So this is the Enterprise box, the search head. I've then navigated to Configuration, Configure Streams, and gotten to this dashboard, which contains all of the information that the app is sending to the technical add-on found on the forwarders. So listed in the table below are each of the individual streams we've got set up in this environment. If I were to click Edit on one of these streams, I'd be able to see all of the inputs available for the stream, including the index that the data gets sent to, the protocol, and different fields that are either included or excluded from the data. So streams are kind of categorized in three different ways. They are either fall under metadata streams, packet streams, or ephemeral streams. And they are widely available, as you can see kind of in the list of protocol, where you've got DHCP, HTTP, SQL, MySQL, POP3. So really you can bring in whatever kind of network data you'd like to. So that concludes our video on Splunk Stream's data flows. Thank you for listening to our continuation of the Splunk Stream Explained series. And if you have any questions or would like to learn more, please reach out to us by emailing info@somerfordassociates.com.